Hello, welcome to Oscilline Launch presentation by AEEE Team Group 2. I am the team leader, Ebersude Yiğitoğlu. Our system engineer is Ayça, our hardware engineer is Emre, and our marketing manager and software engineer is Mehmet Erdem. Here's a table of contents for our presentation. Firstly, about us, as the AEEE team, we aim to equip our leading engineers who are at the cutting edge of technology with tools that make them feel empowered and capable on their journey. And general product introduction, Oscilline is a handheld oscilloscope that can display signals from 1 Hz to 100 MHz, similar in size to a mobile phone. Supported by AI, its mobile app make it easy to record and analyze signals. Constraints, economical, minimize production costs, and offer competitive pricing to ensure cost effectiveness. Environmental, use eco-friendly materials, focus on energy efficiency and reduce waste. Sustainability, following sustainability principles throughout the product lifecycle, promoting resource conservation and energy efficiency. Manufacturability, use automation for cost effectiveness and quality control. Social, user-friendliness, safety, fair labor practices, and ethical standards in design and marketing to contribute positively to society. And standards, certification, and legal issues. Standards compliance. Oscilline meets industry standards for quality safe IEC, EMC, and Bluetooth certification. Legal compliance, Oscilline adheres to product liability laws, GDPR, CCPA, data privacy, and respects intellectual property. And lastly, certification, certified with CE, FCC, and ISO, and undergoes rigorous testing before release. Now, our marketing manager and software engineer Erdem will continue.
Risks and Plan B and Plan C. Let's start with marketing risks. First, acceptance. There's a potential for low market acceptance. Second, pricing. There's a risk of not being competitive. Third, brand awareness. We face the risk of low visibility. Moving on the engineering risks. First, performance. There's a risk of instability. Second, power consumption. There's a risk of insufficient battery life. Third, software integration. We may encounter data issues. Fourth, user interface. There's a risk of complexity. Fifth, security. We face risks of data and physical vulnerability. Alternative strategies. Plan B focuses on pilot programs, cost reduction, and intensified marketing. And Plan C targets niche markets, offer discounts, and implements advanced technical solutions. Now, let's discuss our commercial planning. First, pricing strategy, we aim for a target retail price of $50 per unit. And secondly, market entry strategy, we are targeting educational institutions, professional engineers, and hobbyists. Third, distribution strategy. We will utilize direct sales through e-commerce and or mobile app, as well as channel sales via distributors and retailers. Fourth, marketing and promotion. Our strategies include digital marketing, influencer partnerships, PR campaigns, and customer engagement initiatives. Lastly, financial projections. We project revenue and profit growth over 3 years with an initial investment recovery by the second year. On the screen, you'll also see the flowchart of our mobile application. This allows users to visualize and record signals while providing ease of use through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Additionally, our application integrates AI technology to offer users a convenience across multiple functionalities. From then on, my friend Ayça will continue.
From a system engineer's viewpoint, the Level 0 design provides a high level of abstraction of the overall system for better understanding. Input block represents the entry point for signal, which is entering the system. Intermediate processing part includes signal conditioning such as amplification, filtering, attenuation, which will be detailed in Level 1 design. This stage handles all the intermediate processing and control stages. Output block represents the final result after processing. Outputs are displayed in the mobile app. In the Level 1 design, the system processes both high and low frequency signals and outputs data to smartphone display via a communication module. Input signal management efficiently handles both high and low frequency signal. As signal conditioning, high frequency signals passes through an attenuator to reduce its amplitude and prevent distortion. However, the low frequency signals bypass the attenuator part and go directly to the preamp. Preamp both signals are initially amplified to enhance the signal strength. And also, as the filter removes noise and isolates the necessary signal components before ADC. Analog to digital conversion part, ADC converts filtered analog signals into a digital form for further processing and communication. And also, trigger mechanism initiates the ADC process based on specific signal conditions. Post-measurement controller handles the post-ADC tasks such as data formatting and error checking. Communication module facilitates a data transmission to a smartphone. And finally, user interface, smartphone display presents the final processed data to the user via a smartphone app for user-friendly interaction. Next, our hardware engineer Emre will discuss the hardware details in Level 1 design.
From a hardware engineer's perspective, this block diagram outlines the physical components and their interactions. If the input signal is a high-frequency signal, we must attenuate that signal before preamp gain. But if the input signal is a low-frequency signal, we don't have to. We use preamp to boost signal strength. After the preamp part, signal goes to filter part for eliminate noises and ensuring that clean signals are fed to the ADC. After this part, we must choose an ADC with appropriate resolution to digitize the input signals and integrate a trigger mechanism to control the timing of ADC. To handle post-ADC tasks, we use PMC and the block diagram will continue with communication module and smartphone display part. After all the process, we test our product. Let me explain you test categories and results. Electrical performance. Our product displays all waveforms in all frequency range. Mechanical durability tests. Our product does not be affected by water, dusts, or drops. User experience. Majority of users found the product easy to use. For connectivity, no slowdowns or interruptions in data transferring. Reliability. Maintained performance over long-term use. Compliance and regulation. Our product is compliant with all standards and met all certification requirements. Thank you for your attention. If you have questions, feel free to contact with us.